Hey everyone, welcome back to Faux Rhino. I'm taking a quick break from the usual projects because I've got a bit of an impromptu video for you today. I recently picked up a massive new 3D printer for the workshop. There's a catch. This thing requires a ton of power. In a standard workshop, power usually isn't a massive concern, but my current setup has been hitting a wall. Right now, I only have a single standard outlet. From that outlet, I've got power running across multiple individual lines, some strung up along the rafters, stretching all the way to the back of the warehouse where the filming area sits. Now, I do have a dedicated welder port in the back of the shop. The issue is that this is wired for 240 volts, and it doesn't actually have a neutral line, which means it doesn't natively support standard 110 volt appliances. Up until now, my heavy-duty power stations, like the EcoFlow Delta Max that we rescued, have been filling the gap. They've been an absolute lifesaver, allowing me to power multiple large tools simultaneously. However, whenever those batteries run dry, recharging them quickly threatens to potentially overload that single 110-volt circuit I rely on. This is exactly where this new piece of gear comes into play. Full disclaimer right up front, this is not a sponsored video. Viver didn't send this to me. I bought it with my own money because I desperately needed a way to safely run more equipment in the warehouse. This unit is a high-capacity voltage converter. It takes the 240 volts straight from my welding port and splits it off into several usable 110-volt outlets. The best part is that this converter supports up to 5,000 watts. When you combine that with the roughly 2 kilowatts that I can pull from the front circuit, it completely expands my workshop capacity, giving me around 7 kilowatts of total usable power. Of course, you can never have too much power overhead when running heavy loads, so for mobile backup, I've also built a custom rig using this US General handcart. On the side, I've mounted a Xantrex 2000 watt 12 volt inverter, which I can hook directly to some of these spare batteries that I have from previous projects. Right now, I've got the Viver converter set up running my AC unit as well as an exhaust fan for my laser cutter. It charges up the Delta Max and even keeps my CNC running smoothly. If you find yourself in a similar jam and you need a power solution like this, I'll drop a link down in the description. It is an affiliate link, but again, not a sponsored post. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I'll have some new projects out as soon as possible.